Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by heating 400–500 ml of water until it reaches a rolling boil. This concentrates flavor quickly. While the water warms, open the Indomie packet and separate the seasoning, oil, and chili sachets so you can add them at precise times. Add a little oil or butter to the pot now if you want a silkier broth. This also helps prevent sticking. Once the water boils, reduce heat briefly and then add the noodles to start the cooking cycle. You should fully submerge the noodles and stir gently to separate strands. Break them only if you want shorter pieces for easier eating. Maintain a simmer and cook for about 2–3 minutes while checking texture. You want a tender but slightly firm bite. Once the noodles start loosening, add the flavor sachets into the pot so the noodles absorb the seasoning evenly and you avoid clumping. Make sure to mix thoroughly so oil and powder distribute throughout the broth for balanced taste. You finish by turning off the heat as soon as the noodles hit your preferred chew. Reserve about 1/4 cup of hot broth if you want a saucier bowl. Transfer to a bowl and garnish. Soft-boiled egg, chopped green onions, or quick-fried veggies brighten the dish. If the flavor seems weak, stir in a splash of soy sauce or use reserved broth to adjust salt and depth. If noodles overcooked and soggy, drain, rinse briefly under hot water, and toss with a little oil to recover texture.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.